everybody, my name is Danielle Wheeler and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Willing Toward Success. So in previous seasons, I talked to you all about how I have sensitive skin and the struggles that I deal with daily, not being able to use scented products, having to use the detergent that's free of dyes and perfumes, having to wash with sensitive soap, and the list goes on. And I asked you guys for feedback on different products that you use for all of you viewers who have sensitive skin, and here's my testimonial for one of them. So this product I've been trying and that I'm going to continue to try for 60 days is called Aztec. It's a deep cleanser that you're supposed to use like once a week, and it's supposed to, I'm using it for acne. It helps with other things, for knee pain, insect bites, but I'm going to use it for acne. I've been breaking out recently and I don't know why. It could be my diet. I'm going to insert a picture so you guys can see how my face been looking compared to what it looks like now and what I'm hoping that it's going to look like in 60 days. So yeah, stay tuned. So before starting, you always want to make sure you read the directions. Reading the directions is very, very, very important in doing anything. So on the directions, it'll let you know that you want to use an equal amount of clay and the liquid, and you can use water or vinegar. And in this matter, I'm using apple cider vinegar. And I'm using 1 tablespoon of the clay, it's just me, and then 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. So now that you've applied both the clay and the vinegar, you just want to mix until you get a pasty substance, and you just want to keep mixing. Another thing that it says on the directions is to use non-metallic materials. So you want to make sure you use like glass, plastic, anything that's not metal. And here we go. Keep mixing until we get that pasty finish. And once you're done mixing, you then want to apply the clay on your face. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes if you have sensitive skin like me. And then those who have normal oily skin, you can use it for 15 to 20 minutes and it'll give you further instructions. So please make sure that you read the instructions on the back.